How to uninstall Roblox Studio from your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can uninstall the Roblox Studio application from your Windows 11 PC. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings of your Windows PC. To do that, go to the taskbar, click anywhere over this area and click onto the settings gear icon. Now, once you are here, click onto the apps option and within the apps, click onto the installed apps. Now, this will show you the list of all the installed apps in your PC. Now, here simply type in Roblox and you can see this is the Roblox Studio right here. So, in order to uninstall this, simply click onto these three dots and then choose the second option, that is uninstall. It will show that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. To proceed, again click onto this uninstall button and wait for the uninstallation wizard to open. Now you can see that this is the uninstallation wizard, and once this finishes, our app will be successfully uninstalled from our Windows computer. So let us wait for the uninstallation process to get finished. And now you can see that once the uninstallation wizard has finished its job, you can see that the Roblox Studio has been successfully removed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.